As a standalone single school administrator, you'll probably want to view all the different curriculums that are available to your students. Please note that we offer so much more than just a core keyboarding curriculum. Here at Typing Agent, we believe that your students will really learn and benefit from dipping into some coding, games, down-to-earth lessons, and being a good digital citizen, and so much more. So to peek into all this exciting stuff, you're going to want to come up here to Curriculum from your dashboard. So you're going to now see all these tiles that represent each of the curriculums that your students can work in. You'll notice that most of these tiles have this button down here with the number of lessons inside of them. These buttons are going to let you go in and view all the lessons in that curriculum. But you'll also notice that some curriculums don't have a lessons button. This is because these curriculums are completely adaptive to the student's experience. For example, targeted practice here is a racing game that is generated to each student to focus on the words, letters, and keystrokes that they individually struggle with. Since there are infinitely many words, letters, and keystrokes, and combinations of those ones, that your students might be having a tough time with, it's different for each student. So let's go up here and look at some of these lessons. We're going to start with Keyboarding Foundations 3+ as an example. Okay, so up here on the right, you're going to see this option to filter paths. This is going to let you view the curriculum specific to a certain grade level as well as the path. As a quick reminder, the paths are the order of the curriculums that are a result of the student's placement test. For example, Path A will start with the home row basics, while Path D will be for a student who's typing full words and sentences. So here, we're looking at the lessons of a kindergartner through second grader. Should you want to see another grade level, let's say third grade, you can come over here and change that. Now, you see if we click on this lesson right down here, this is the content that will be on that lesson in Path A. But if we change this over here to Path D, then we'll see that that lesson is going to look a little bit different. So you can toggle through each world by clicking these buttons up here, and you can even click this little waffle icon up here to view this in hexagons just like a student does. But of course, you might actually want to work through all these lessons and more as a student yourself. For the full experience, you can always use your demo student account. So go up here to your dashboard and then click on this blue demo student. This is going to let you explore every curriculum we offer, and the best part is it won't affect any of your existing students' progress. When you're done and you'd like to go back to your own account, you can click this Return to Admin button right up here. Okay, so should you have any more questions, you can always come up here to your admin button and then visit the Solution Center. It's constantly updating, and we've got full documentation on each of these curriculums and all they can do for your students. But if you're finding a question that we haven't already answered, you can always come down here to this little chat icon to talk to one of us in app. Until then, have fun exploring these awesome curriculums.